Cynghrair y Cenhedloedd Cymru wedi cyrraedd Reykjavik, a Gwlad yr Ia fydd yr her nesaf i Craig Bellamy. Rhif 71 ar restr detholion ddiweddara FIFA, ail detholion y grŵp tu ôl i Gymru a fel Cymru. Wedi colli'r gemau ail gyfle i gyrraedd Euro 2024 i Wcrain. Pwy well i holi cyn gêm nos Wener, ond un sydd wedi ennill 90 o gapiau i'w wlad, chwarae yn Euro 2016, Cwpan y Byd 2018 ac sydd wedi chwarae yn erbyn Cymru. A dyma beth mae fe wedi wneud o'r ymgyrch hyd yn hyn.
I thought the game at home against Montenegro was decent enough. We didn't create a lot of chances, but scored from 2 set pieces. We've only actually scored from set pieces, so that's a cause for concern. But it's a young team, and we've got decent attacking players, but I think the defence is the weakness we have to work on.
Mae ymgyrch eiconig Gwlad yr Ia yn Euro 2016 yn un sy'n dal i fyw yn y cof. Nath hynny a'r llwyddiant gaethon nhw o gyrraedd Cwpan y Byd yn 2018 arwain at gystadlu ymysg y goreion yng Nghynghrair A Cynghrair y Cenhedloedd. Ond i'r blynyddoedd diwethaf heb fod cweit mor garedig.
It's been a transition, it's been a tough time. There was a lot of know-how in that team, and we were fortunate enough to have a manager like Lars Lagerbäck who kind of started the whole thing. And what I felt was we didn't change away from that with the appointments that follow Lars. We kept going in the same direction. Obviously, the team evolved a little bit. We were more willing to play other formations and that kind of stuff. But the values that the team stood for were still there. And it was invoked by the players a lot of the time, but also by the managers that took over. But then something changed and we just derailed from that. We're trying to form a new identity, and without much success, to be honest.
Tra bod Cymru dan arweiniad rheolwr ifanc yn Craig Bellamy, hen ben profiadol sydd wrth y lliw i Wlad yr Ia, o Kári. Hon fydd y drydydd wlad iddo fe reoli yn erbyn Cymru, ar ôl bod wrth y lliw gyda Norwy 20 yn ôl ac yn reolwr ar Ddenmarc yn ystod ymgyrch cyntaf eriod Cynghrair y Cenhedloedd. Ond beth gall Gymru ddisgwyl gan dîm Gwlad yr Ia o dan Kári?
We can have threat because we have tricky players going forward, but we can also be done on the break all of a sudden, which was a big no-no for us back in the day. So I expect an open game, to be honest, unless Orgia decides to sit back and try to utilise counter-attacking, which I think would be a good idea in this game. But if we try to go toe-to-toe with him, it can be a lot of chances both ways.
Ennill neu golli, dyna'r batrwm Gwlad yr Ia dros yr hanner dwsin o gemau diwethaf, a batrwm sy'n parhau yn yr ymgyrch hon. Middi Montenegro, ond colli i Dwrci. Un peth sy'n glir yw bod hyder y tîm yma yn fregus, a bydd Craig Bellamy yn sicr am fanteisio ar hynny nos yfory.